If you're struggling with hunger when dieting, but you're also snacking on protein bars in front of the TV, I have good news. There are simple steps you can take to naturally manage your appetite. First, accept that some hunger is normal, especially when you're dieting. If you're never hungry, you're probably not in a deficit. But to make your diet easier, here's what to focus on. Stay active. Moderate physical activity can help to regulate your appetite, and it's also extra time in the day when you're not eating. Just don't overdo it. If you're already training every day, adding more might backfire and you might get even hungrier. Next, eat high volume, low calorie foods. Think things like soups, salads, and minimally processed foods. These can help fill you up without adding too many calories. Also, eat mindfully. Ditch distractions like your TV or your phone whilst you're eating. Focus on the meal. I know you want to watch TV or scroll your phone when you're eating, but you will feel fuller and more satisfied if you sit at a table and focus only on the food. And finally, drink water with your meals. Having a glass of water stretches your stomach, stimulating receptors in your brain that signal fullness. Another benefit of drinking water throughout your meal, it forces you to slow down and not just inhale the food. If hunger is giving you a hard time at the moment, give these tips a go. For personalized diet insights, DM me the word quiz and I'll send you the link.